How I clean and store my fruit. Strawberries. Remove the stems. I clean my fruit with a fruit wash. Wash the strawberries with fruit wash. Rinse strawberries in clear water. Let strawberries dry. Place strawberries in airtight container. Blueberries. Clean blueberries with fruit wash. Rinse blueberries in clear water. Let blueberries dry. Place blueberries in airtight container. Grapes. Remove grapes off stems. Clean grapes with fruit wash. Rinse grapes in clear water. Let grapes dry. Place grapes in airtight container. Pears and apples. Remove stickers from fruit. Twist stems off. Pears and apples. Clean pears and apples with fruit wash. Rinse pears and apples. Place pears and apples in container. Bananas. Remove stickers from bananas. Clean bananas with fruit wash. Rinse bananas. Let bananas dry. Wrap stems in plastic. It helps to slow down browning. Watermelon. Remove stickers from watermelon. Clean watermelon with fruit wash. Rinse watermelon. Dry watermelon. Cut watermelon. Place watermelon in airtight container. Limes. Clean limes with fruit wash. Rinse limes. Place limes in container. Cherries. Remove stems from cherries. Clean cherries with fruit wash. Rinse cherries in clear water. Let cherries dry. Place cherries in airtight container. Airtight containers bought from Amazon. Airtight containers bought from Amazon. Fruit and veggie wash bought from Amazon. Fruit and veggie wash removes dust, wax, and residue. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share,